621 at the front and 620 at the back. Going to Exeter, guys. Sounds like the 621, guys, is sounds like it's got some flat wheels. Okay, guys, it's Trainspotting HD, and welcome back to another video on this Saturday afternoon, where you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway, Crosscountry, and hopefully South Western Railway. Why I say hopefully South Western Railway is because I'm going to mix it up today, guys. Going to start off here at St David's, do a few trains here, and then go to Newton Abbot and do a few trains there to end the video. So I'm going to mix it up today, guys. Otherwise, quite sunny today. Not looking too bad now. We had a hefty downpour this morning, so but that's gone now. I'll say we're top temperature, I'll say around only 9-10 degrees, so not overly warm but not overly freezing at the moment, so not a bad day to do a bit of train spotting. So yeah, so that's the current situation. I'm aware that there's Great Western diverts now next week. Actually started, it's actually starting today actually, but yeah, I might do my GWR diverts probably tomorrow, if not tomorrow, definitely during the week. So it'd be a rare sight seeing IETs go through Central. So yeah, so that's the current situation, guys. We'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains. Oh, and before we do, actually, I've got to tell you, obviously, due to the reason why there is diverts going through Central is because of the line being closed in between Exeter, St David's and Taunton. They're doing more works near the Whitehall Tunnel near Tiverton Parkway, so that's the reason why they're doing the diverts through Central for London passing services. So yeah, so we'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains. Hey guys, about the Exeter service now leaving. Leaving about 2 minutes late. So yeah, this is not your normal video that you get. As you can see, we got an IET coming in. Not going on to platform 5. Platform 5 is out of use. And it looks like is this IET coming on platform 3? It can't be actually. It must be coming on to platform 4 now. And once we'll keep the camera on, so we got a South Western Railway train coming in as well. And IET going on to platform 4. Platform 4 is in use. 159006 at the front of the South Western Railway. This is terminating from Basingstoke. And we'll catch the number at the back in a bit. Hey guys, I'm back. Looks like we got a 150 coming in. I think it was from platform 5, now going into the depot. Looks like it's the 150-233. Is he arrest now, is he, the 150? Looks like he is, or she I should say. It's I keep forgetting all trains are she, are females. So yeah, there's works in between Exeter, St David's and Taunton, guys. That's why the diverts are happening. It's for 1 week only though. The IET there on platform 4, that's going to Penzance within the next 2 or 10 minutes. 802002 on the train, I think that's 9 coaches long. And the back of the South Western Railway is 159014. So yeah, as the video goes on, I'm sure we'll see services from Crosscountry. I think they're running services to Forest Tiverton Parkway, obviously, because they can't go up north because the lines are obviously closed, like I said. So the cross-country trains are doing services from probably from Plymouth, Penzance to far as Tiverton Parkway. So trains for 1 week only, I think, are terminating at Tiverton Parkway, which is going to be quite weird. So I'm assuming platform 5 at St David's won't be used so much during this 1 week. So yeah, so that's the current situation, guys. So we'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, got the South Western Railway train now leaving. He'll go up to the Exeter sidings and more likely come back for a service later to Basingstoke. So I think we might see that later on in the video again. Good old South Western Railway trains looking filthy at the front and back. Don't they ever get time to have a wash at the front and back, guys? It begs to question, doesn't it? Anyway, so we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. 1401's Payton's delayed. That's got 2 coaches. It's actually at Central, so don't know how that's going. Well, it won't be delayed now, but it would be slightly delayed, but it won't be massively delayed. Anyway, we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back. We got Great Western Railway service coming in now, going to Payton. Had to be a 150 in it if it's 2 coaches. Good old 150. It's the 150-265 on the train.
The next bus to depart from the front of the station will be the 1405 Great Western Railway service to Western Superfair.
Looking rather packed on that train. Looking quite clean at the front of the train now, which will be the front of the train now. Right, well, we'll see that go out very shortly, so we'll come back then, guys. Okay guys, we're back. About to depart now. It will be the slightly delayed 1401 Great Western Railway service to Payton. One of a singular 150, 2 coaches long. Just started to rain again a bit. No surprises on that. Hey guys. There she goes. Out in the rain. Assuming this will be a brief shower again, guys. It hasn't forecasted persistent rain today, just some showers on and off. Got to the station dry, which is the main thing, so I shouldn't get wet now. That's a good thing about these types of stations. They got shelter points, as you can clearly see. Okay, well, the Great Western Railway service to Penzance should depart within the next 1 minute or so. So yeah, it might get delayed slightly leaving because of that Payton service being about 3 to 4 minutes late. So, but it will depart soon, so we'll come back then once she does. Okay guys, we're back. We've got the Great Western Railway service to Penzance about to depart. Like I thought he might be, or she departing slightly late, only about a minute or 2, so it doesn't really matter, does it? I'm sure she'll make up the time.
Platform 1 from the 1416 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth via Exeter Central, calling at Exeter Central, St James Park, Polslow Bridge, Digby and Soughton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Lympstone Commando, Lympstone Village and Exmouth. This train has 4 coaches. Exton and Lympstone Commando are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave. Platform 1 from the 1416 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth via Exeter Central.
Well, that's interesting, guys. I didn't realise that was a 5-coach one. Okay. Okay, well that's a first. Didn't realise that was a 5-coach one. Well, that's different. Okay, well we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Hopefully as the video goes on we'll see cross-country services. We might see them at Newton Abbot actually. Don't think we'll see one here, but hopefully we'll see some cross-country services. So yeah, we'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains.
Western Railway service to Exmouth via Exeter Central, calling at Exeter Central, St James Park, Poleslow Bridge, Digby and Soughton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Lympstone Commando, Lympstone Village and Exmouth. This train has 4 coaches. Exton and Lympstone Commando are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave.
143619 at the back of the Exeter service coming in now, guys. And the 143618 will now be at the front.
For the 1415 bus service to Exeter Airport.
Good grief. That is so fucking screechy those paces are. Dear God.
Luggage left unattended may be removed
I don't know, guys.
destroyed or damaged by the security services.
I don't know why paces are so squeaky. Well, they're so old, that's why. That's the main reason why. Sounds like all paces need to go up and get some new wheels as well. Okay guys, we're back. Great Western Railway service to Exmouth back to the park on time as well. Formed of a double squeaky class 143 pacers. So we will see a cross-country service, guys. Will be coming in shortly. Yeah, I think these Pacers need wheels. Definitely clunking along on their started to piss down rain. Great. Hey guys, back. Looks like that 152 that's parked on platform 5. That will form the 1433 service to Paignton. That would have been my train to Newton Abbot, but my train will be coming in from that way to get to Newton Abbot, be the service of London Paddington. So yeah, so like I said, the service to Plymouth will be coming in from that way, from Central way. That'll be the train that will get me to Newton Abbot, guys. So I'll record that train coming in. Should I record a cross-country service coming in as well? And then we'll go to Newton Abbot and record some trains there. So typical British weather, eh guys? Raining again. But it's a massive shock, guys.
29 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth, calling at Newton Abbot.
So this is technically a divert also, guys, so you don't often see this. This is quite bloody weird, I know, but good at the same time. This will be the train that will get me to Newton Abbot.
Zones 8 to 2 cycle spaces in zones 8 and
802 107 on the train. I'm hoping to just record a cross-country service coming in shortly to Tiverton Parkway. So there is trains running to Tiverton Parkway, so I'm assuming the works is in between Tiverton Parkway and Taunton, guys. So
26 cross-country service to Tiverton Parkway, calling at Tiverton Parkway only. This train has 4 coaches.
right, I think we can go.
First class is at the rear of the train. Platform 4 for the 1426 cross-country service to Tiverton Parkway.
Didn't realise the IT was going all the way down there. That was a bit of a surprise. Okay, well, I'm going to record this. Hopefully this cross-country service coming in, and then I'll get on the train to Newton Abbot, so we'll come back then, guys. Okay guys, coming in now will be a cross-country service to Tiverton Parkway. Never thought I'd be saying that, that's a bit weird. So we will get to see a cross-country service in this video finally. Like I said, the cross-country services are only running the services to Tiverton Parkway to Plymouth.
Cross-country service to Tiverton Parkway. Calling at Tiverton Parkway only. This train has 4 coaches. First class is at the rear of the train.
Yeah, like I said, cross-country service is running from, looks like, from Plymouth to Tiverton Parkway probably throughout this week. So if you want to go up north, guys, you're going to have to try and get a train probably from Taunton. It's a 220-007 on the Vordra, Mr. Bond. Okay guys, as that train comes in, I will leave it here at St David's. I won't end the video though. Like I said, I'll go to Newton Abbot now, record a few trains there to end the video. So we see you all at Newton Abbot. Cheers guys. Forgot about the South Western Railway train, guys. We'll call this first. On 59006 at the back. Looks like the well, at least the trains will get a good wash now it's pissing down the rain. Okay, now we will see you all at Newton Abbot. Okay guys, just like that, we're at Newton Abbot. Just going to record 1 or 2 trains here, and then we'll go back to St David's, record a few more trains at St David's to end the video. Got the Great Western Railway service to Plymouth now leaving. This is the train I got off to get to Newton Abbot. Excelente. Okay guys, back. Unfortunately it's not that busy here at Newton Abbot for trains today. As you can you can tell, there's not many people about today. What am I going to do then is I'm going to record 1 or 2 trains, 1 or 2 more trains here at Newton Abbot, and then I'm going to go back to St David's and record a few trains there, because St David's seemed to be more busier than here. So, of course, St David's has got the added advantage of the South Western Railway trains. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record the Peyton service coming in, and hopefully the service to Tiverton Parkway, which will be a cross-country service. So those will be the last 2 trains here at Newton Abbot. Then I will go back to St David's and record a few more trains there to end the video, because I want to make a decent long video, guys. It's only coming up to 20 minutes now, so I want to at least add on another 10 more, 15 more minutes, maybe even an extra 20 minutes. So yeah, that's the current situation now, guys. So we'll come back in a few seconds with those trains. Okay guys, we're back. We have a cross-country service coming in, going to Tiverton Parkway. Probably won't record this going out. Should have a Great Western Railway service to Peyton coming in shortly. Number on the train is 220013. So should have a Great Western Railway service coming in to go into Payton. So we'll record that going in, and we'll end the video here at Newton Abbot. Then we'll also go back to Exeter St David's to record some more trains there. Hey guys, coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to Payton.
1502 Great Western Railway service to Payton. Call it Torquay and Payton. This train has 2 coaches. Train stops in zones 6 and
150, 248 on the train. And as that train comes in, I will leave it here at Newton Abbot, guys. Apologies on the not much trains here. It is likely time gaps in between the other trains. So I'll see you all back at Exeter St David's. Okay guys, just like that, we're back at St David's.
We are sorry to announce that the
Obviously it's dark now, so
service to Barnstaple is delayed by approximately 9 minutes.
we got the Exeter service in front of us. This is the train I got off to get back to St David's. The 143617 at the front, and it's a 150 at the back, so 143 and a 150 together. It's about to leave, so we'll keep the camera rolling.
Station will be the 1855 Great Western Railway service to Castle Carey.
We have a castle set over on platform 5, not sure where that one's going to. The 150, 249 at the back. I meant to have a Great Western Railway service to Barnstaple to be on platform 1, but that's delayed by 9 minutes for whatever reason. Like I said, we got a castle set over on platform 5, 43092. It looks like it's got the Cromwell Castle nameplate at the front. I think that is a passenger service over on platform 5. Yeah, it is, because there's people on it. I'm not sure where it's going to. I think it's actually going to Payton, which is a bit weird. Yeah, it'll due to go probably then. I think it's 7 o'clock one, so that will leave in about 4 minutes time. So I'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains. Hey guys, coming in now will be a terminating service from Basingstoke. 159002 at the front. This is probably the reason why the Barnstaple train's delayed, because of this one. Coming in late itself. And number at the back is 159108 in the Odo livery. Looks like a bird got hit by the train, because I can see feathers at the back of the train there. So that castle set, being confirmed, is going to Payton. It should leave it within the next 2 minutes. It's just started to rain again out of the joy. So yeah, we'll come back in a few more minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, back to the part now. Will be the 1900 Great Western Railway service to Paignton. Call that Dawlish, Teignmouth, Newton Abbot, Torquay and Paignton. Didn't expect this to be a castle set going to Paignton. That's a bit different. I think we got the Barnstable train coming in now into platform 1. A 150 coming in. He's about 7-8 minutes late, this one. (150-248) on the train. Turn around, guys. Paignton service now leaving on platform 5 with the Conrail's Castle nameplate at the front. And a 43005 at the back. You can see the castle sets still around. He'll probably come back to St David's later on, but obviously I'll be at home. Just recording the last few trains in this video, guys, before ending it. Sorry about Newton Abbot though, guys, because I wanted to go to Newton Abbot to try and mix the video up today, but the time gaps between the trains at Newton Abbot wasn't that great. It was quite a lengthy time gap, so I thought, you know, might as well go back to St David's. St David's seems to be more busier than Newton Abbot, so yeah, so apologises on that, guys. Don't know why Newton Abbot wasn't so good today. Maybe it's something to do with the engineering works and whatnot, but yeah, we got the Barnstable train now leaving 9 minutes late. Okay, we'll come back in a few minutes or seconds with, you guessed it, some more trains. Hey guys, back. We have this patient turned up on platform 3. I think he came from Central, and looks like he's now going up the line and possibly going into platform 2 perhaps. We got a 5-car IET that turned up on platform 5. He'll be going off to Penzance within the next 20 odd minutes. 802013 on that train. I think as that train goes out, I'll leave it here, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Hang on.
Taunton and Weston-super-Mare, the front of the station for the 1915 Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare.
Like I was saying before I got interrupted. Oh, bloody announcements.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by the security services.
So I'm going to leave it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Greatly appreciated. Quite a nice little ride. He started off at St David's, went to Newton Abbot. Sorry about Newton Abbot, guys. Wasn't that great. A variety there, really. But better here, though, today. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. We might be making a video at Central tomorrow for the Great Western diverts. So, until then, guys, me here at a very wet Exeter St David's now. I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.